personalized SharePoint training from Evolvous. Are you looking to unlock the full potential of SharePoint? At Evolvous, we offer personalized SharePoint training that helps you to discover more about the platform and make it a key tool for digitally transforming your business. With personalized SharePoint training programs from Evolvous, you get tailored online and interactive sessions designed to meet your unique needs. Learn more about SharePoint intranet setup. Get the skills to create dynamic and engaging intranet that improves communication and boosts collaboration. With a well-designed intranet, you can centralize information, enhance teamwork within your departments, and ensure success. Discover how to store, organize, and share documents within your departments by creating and optimizing SharePoint libraries. Learn more about SharePoint lists and folder structures. Efficient document management eliminates redundancy, improves collaboration, and ensures that valuable information is readily accessible to the right individuals. To ensure that your data is secure and prevent unauthorized access, you will learn how to set up and manage user permissions at granular level. Similarly, you can improve document discoverability by using custom SharePoint metadata. This helps you to maintain an organized and efficient document management system. Get the necessary skills to configure compliance settings to manage document retention, audit trails, version control, and more. Our training course programs is designed to empower your team with knowledge and skills to maximize the impact of your SharePoint environment. Ready to transform your operations with the magic of SharePoint? Empower your team with personalized SharePoint training. Contact Evolvous and schedule your SharePoint training session today.